Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit site notifications on OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead and give your credentials to your OnlyFans account, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom right corner, you're gonna find your user icon. Tap on it, then go to settings from there. Once you do that, you're gonna have to select notifications from the options given on your screen. Now there, the third option will be site notifications. Tap on it. There you can see you can check or the uncheck boxes by just tapping on the circle given beside each content. Just go ahead, adjust the setting, then go back. And guys, that's it. That's how you edit site notifications on OnlyFans. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.